Hi in Spanish is hola. I'm Romi. Yo soy Romi. And I'm hungry. Tengo hambre. Hungry in Spanish is hambre. Y tengo mucho hambre. I wish I were eating a whole hamburger. Una hamburguesa. Or spaghetti and meatballs. Espaguetis y albóndigas. Meatballs are albóndigas in Spanish, and they are a super fun word to say. Albóndigas, 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 albóndigas. What's your favorite food to eat? Ooh, yeah, that's a good one. You know what I love about food though? And by the way, food in Spanish is comida. 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 You know what I love about comida? All of the colors, los colores. Like how a lot of vegetables like broccoli and spinach and celery are all green, verde. There's fruit that's red, like raspberries or strawberries. Blueberries are blue. What else? Oranges are orange, naranja. Carrots, zanahorias, are orange, naranja. What other colors are foods? Waffles? I guess waffles are like beige, but I guess that's a color. That's a good one. What other food are you thinking about? Ketchup? Ketchup is red, rojo. Good one. What's another condiment that's a colorful color? Mustard. Mustard is yellow, amarillo. Mostaza es amarilla. All this talk about food is making me more hungry. We usually get all of our food from a supermarket or grocery store. Have you ever been to one of these? You have? Where you go in the carts and you go from aisle to aisle looking at all of the different food, and there's hot food, comida caliente. There's cold food, comida fría. There's boxed food, comida en cajas. There's basically all of the food you could want in a supermarket. And then once you have your cart, your carrito full of comida, you go to the checkout counter to pay for it and go home. And then when we go home, we eat the food, but sometimes we have to cook it first. So I want you to think back. What's the last thing you ate? And did it have to be cooked? Or did you eat it right out of the box, the caja? Did it have to be warmed? ¿Tenía que calentarse? And did you use a microwave, un microondas? Or a stove, una estufa? Or did you eat something really cold that came from the heladera, the freezer? Here's what I got at the supermarket. Broccoli, which in Spanish is broccoli, pretty similar. Tomato, which in Spanish is tomate, also pretty similar. A banana, which in Spanish is banana or plátano, but if you say banana or banano, similar. An orange, which is a naranja, which doesn't sound like orange, but orange in English is this fruit and the color it is, orange. And a naranja in Spanish is the fruit and the color it is, naranja. And then lastly, another thing that's naranja, a carrot, zanahoria. This is a long word to say, zanahoria, carrot. Now, can you help me count how many things I bought? ¿Cuántas cosas compré? Okay, and we're gonna do it learning Spanish. So, 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, 4. And 5, 5. 5 cosas. 5 things that we bought at the supermarket. Let's do it again. 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. 5, cinco. 5 in Spanish is cinco. Now let's do it one more time, even faster, okay? 1, uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. And 5, cinco. I got a little stuck there. 5 cosas. 5 things. Can you help me separate the fruits from the vegetables? Las frutas de las verduras?
Yeah!
You can? Okay, thank you. Gracias. Which thing is a fruit or a vegetable? Una fruta o una verdura? Let's start with this red thing, rojo. It's a strawberry. Strawberry in Spanish is fresa or frutilla, depending on where you're from. Now, is it a fruit or a vegetable? Una fruta o un vegetal? It's a fruit. Muy bien. What about grapes? Grapes in Spanish are uvas. Uvas. There's so many of them. Are they a fruit or vegetable? Una fruta o un vegetal? Una fruta. Good job again. What about broccoli? Broccoli. It's green, verde. Sometimes that's a clue, but sometimes not. Es un vegetal. Broccoli is a vegetable. What about this one? You know this from Halloween. It's a pumpkin. Pumpkin in Spanish is calabaza. Calabaza is... Actually, you might think it's a vegetable, but it's a fruit because it has its seeds on the inside. Isn't that crazy? Una calabaza es una fruta. Now, what about a carrot? Una zanahoria. Also orange, naranja. A zanahoria es un vegetal. It's a vegetable. What about corn? Corn in Spanish is maíz or elote or choclo, depending on where you're from. Yes, and corn is un vegetal. Now, the final 3 are all the same thing. We have a naranja, we have a manzana, and we have a banana. ¿Qué son? ¿Son frutas? ¿Vegetales? Frutas! You'll find these in a fruit salad. Muy bien! I think it's time for me to go make a sandwich or something. I am starving. Bueno, gracias por aprender y jugar conmigo hoy. Hasta luego. See you soon.